Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to step up your photography game, a mirrorless camera might just be the perfect upgrade. Combining incredible image quality with a sleek, compact design, these cameras are a favorite among both amateurs and professionals. In today's video, we're exploring the best mirrorless cameras on the market. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes, fast-moving subjects, or creating high-quality vlogs, all product links are in the description below. Let's jump in and find the mirrorless camera that fits your needs. Number 5. Sony Alpha FX3 ILME FX3 Mirrorless Camera. The Sony Alpha FX3 ILME FX3 full-frame cinema line camera is built for professionals seeking cinematic quality in a compact, versatile design. Equipped with a 4K full-frame sensor, it offers an impressive 15-plus stop dynamic range, providing exceptional detail and high sensitivity, even in challenging lighting conditions. With S-Cinetone color profiles, this camera delivers a stunning cinematic look inspired by the Venice colorimetry, ensuring rich, expressive visuals. For video recording, the Sony Alpha FX3 supports up to 4K 120p 10-bit 422 and features full pixel readout in all recording modes. Number 4. Sony Alpha ZV-E10 Mirrorless Camera. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is a powerful, user-friendly APS-C interchangeable lens mirrorless vlog camera designed to help content creators capture high-quality photos and videos. Featuring a 24.2 megapixel exmor CMOS sensor, it ensures sharp and detailed images even in low-light conditions. Coupled with the Bionz X processor, it enhances performance, providing fast processing for smooth, crisp visuals, making it ideal for vlogging and streaming. This camera offers impressive 4K video recording, oversampled from 6K with full pixel readout and no pixel binning, ensuring clear and vibrant footage. Number 3. Canon EOS R6 Mark II Mirrorless Camera. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II mirrorless camera is designed for both professional photographers and videographers, providing exceptional performance in a compact form. Equipped with a 24.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, it captures stunning, sharp images even in low-light environments. The Digic X image processor enhances performance, ensuring vibrant photos and videos with minimal noise and grain, allowing you to capture every detail with precision. One of the standout features of the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is its high-speed continuous shooting capability, with the electronic shutter offering speeds of up to 40 frames per second. This makes it perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects, such as athletes, animals, or vehicles in motion. Number 2. Sony Alpha 7 IV Mirrorless Camera. The Sony Alpha 7 IV full-frame mirrorless camera is designed for professionals and enthusiasts seeking exceptional image quality and versatility. Featuring a 33-megapixel full-frame exmor R back-illuminated CMOS sensor, it delivers outstanding detail and clarity in both photos and videos. This advanced sensor works in tandem with the next-generation Bionz XR image processing engine, which enhances performance, providing faster processing speeds and superior image quality, even in challenging lighting conditions. This camera excels in video production, supporting up to 4K 60p 10-bit 422 recording with full pixel readout, ensuring high-quality footage with rich color and detail. For those looking to create cinematic content, the S-Cinetone color profile offers beautiful, accurate color rendering. Number 1. Canon EOS R50 Mirrorless Camera. The Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera offers a remarkable solution for content creators, vloggers, and photographers alike. It features a 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor paired with a Digic X processor for enhanced image clarity and detail, making it perfect for capturing high-quality images and videos. The camera's advanced autofocus system utilizes dual-pixel CMOS AF2, providing fast and precise focus with up to 651 AF zones. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.